Alright guys, so what I told morning in my Telegram channel, so exactly I told around 9:23 a.m. So here I can see 9:23, and I told that Bank Nifty looking for buy only. So remember, wait for a confirmation by 15-minute bull candle or rejection in a demand zone. So I have given two criteria. Uh, Yesterday, as I said yesterday, price were open, which doesn't matter. So we are looking for buy only today, as I said. Okay, so today morning, what I told around 9:23 a.m. So I told that we need a bull candle. So once they appear bull candle, we are looking for buy after that. Or I have given a demand zone. So if price pull back near demand zone, so we need a rejection candle. All right. So let me show you where exactly we entered today. So this one daily time frame according to the price action method. Price are creating new higher high, higher low, lower low and a higher low. So that is why we was looking for buy. So let me show you here in a 15-minute time frame. So this one 15-minute time frame, and here I can see price open little bit gap up, again from a bearish candle, next again from a bearish candle, again from a bearish candle. What I told, we are looking for buy after forming a bullish candle. So where is the next bullish candle? This one. So once form a bullish candle, so next candle we enter buy here and we place FL below this candle. So after that, here you can see price all the way around from this level to this level. So we catch the market today. That was our first criteria, and the second criteria, that was our demand zone. Why is it demand zone? So from this area, the smart money push the market to the higher. So here was two criteria. One is if price pull back to this level, so we was looking for a rejection in this area, but price not able to pull back in this area. So next criteria was we was looking for a bull candle. So finally form a bull candle above this demand zone because price not able to pull back to this level. So exactly we enter here. All right. So after that, here price goes up to this level. Now, what going to where we are going to take position on Monday? So let me explain. So let's see first in a daily time frame. Just a minute. Okay. So today, according to the price action method, what they are forming, and here forming higher high and higher low. So let me show you here. Just a minute. Let me zoom here. Okay. Now I can see price continuously getting higher high, higher high, higher high, and then higher low and a higher low. So in that case, you can see this is most important candlestick pattern even. So we are looking for buy only. So let me find out some demand zone. All right. So where basically we are looking for buy. So let me show you 1 hour chart. In a 1 hour chart, let me draw a rejection line. So this one a rejection line. Okay, perfect. That was a rejection line. There are multiple rejection from this area. And let's see demand zone first. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now, where is the demand zone? So demand zone would be somewhere here. This one demand zone. All right. How I'm drawing this demand zone? So now see, from this area, price was somewhere here, according to the price action method, creating new higher high. This one pullback, create a new higher low. This one higher high. HH means higher high. The higher low, create a new higher high. So in this area, some smart money enter and push the market higher. All right. So it is a probability to pull back to this level. Once they pull back, so definitely we'll use some rejection candle or some bullish candle in this area. So once pull back, so definitely we'll go for buy. We'll buy heavily in this area if price pull back in this area. All right. So let me show in a small time frame. Okay, like a 5-minute chart. Is there any demand zone? Now another demand zone we have seen, this one demand zone. Have you seen? Okay. Why? Because who people entered here, they might close their position somewhere there or somewhere here. They might book their position. It is a probability to pull back to this level. So definitely, if price pull back to this level and they form any bullish confirmation, so definitely we enter here, because this smart money pushed the market from this area. Some smart money entered somewhere here in this area, and another smart money enter, or big boys are entering somewhere here. So now this guy might close their position, but these guys still waiting. They holding their position. All right. So if price break this level, so we'll wait to this level, or if price goes to this level, so our sell level will be below today's lower point. So where is the today's lower point? Somewhere here. So once price break this lower point, so definitely we'll go for short. Otherwise, we are focusing on a buy side only. All right. So now question is that if price open in between this area, that is fine. So if price open in a gap up, so what we will do? Just a minute. So let's say price open gap up somewhere here. So definitely we'll wait for a pullback. So after that, we'll use price action method now. All right. If price open a gap up, if price shoot out the upper side, we will wait. We never be hurry. We don't enter when market are shooting up after opening a gap up. So we will wait for a pullback. So in that case, we will use price action method in a small time frame. So once price action method from like higher high and higher low in a 1-minute time frame, so we'll buy after giving a pullback. After forming a dip, buy in an uptrend. We'll follow that rule. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving me a valuable time.